everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all okay. Today I've got a little bit of a misguided haul. I wanted to pick out some new pieces from the Carli Bybel collection. You probably already know who she is, but if you don't, then it's an influencer collection and all you need to do is literally Google her name and she'll pop up. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and fashion, so if that is something that you're interested in and you like my style of videos, it would mean the world to have you come join our little family here on YouTube. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I've not had a chance to do my fake tan, so apologies if I'm looking really pale, but we'll roll with it. I've picked up some cute little bits and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so the first piece that I picked up from the Carli Bybel collection is this absolutely huge, I'd call it a Medaxy dress. It's this like cream fluffy knit. Doesn't look like it's going to be too see-through. Obviously you're going to want to wear nude underwear under this. I got this in a size 10 because it was the smallest size that they had left. And yeah, it's a high neck sleeveless dress. To be honest, even though it's a 10, it is going to stretch. And yeah, I just thought for autumn, winter, Christmas parties, I mean, if we're going to have any, we don't know, do we? But Christmas Day even, if you're one that likes to dress up on Christmas Day, this would look so nice. You could wear it with boots, you could wear it with heels. It's really nice quality. It doesn't appear to be see-through. So yeah, I'm excited to try that one. I will link everything down below as well. Obviously, if it's sold out, then I'm unable to, but I do believe this is still in stock. Okay, so next I grabbed this sort of like swirly, silky midi skirt in this print that's sort of like quite psychedelic, kind of throws your eyes off a little bit. I got this in a 10 and I will be honest, it looks quite small fitting. So bear that in mind. Obviously we'll know more when I try it on in a second. So this is the skirt, got it in a size 10. They did some dresses in this print as well and they looked absolutely gorgeous. Again, the quality, can't fault it. It doesn't appear to be see-through. It's nice and thick fabric. Be gorgeous on a night out, evening out. Again, winter festivities if we're allowed them. And to go with that, I grabbed this little crop. It's a little bit of a cowl neck crop. I grabbed this in an 8 and it does look small. So I don't know if these sort of fit small. There's not much give in it either, so you have to pray for me on this one. If you've got bigger boobs, then you're definitely going to want to size up. They did have a different style top, I believe, to go with the skirt as well. So yeah, love the colours. Like champagne-y, taupey colour with the brown. I think together they're going to look really cute if I can get the top on. And with a tan, yeah, that would even pop. That would pop even more. And that set was really inexpensive and I got 40% off everything as well. So you would generally only ever shop Missguided when there's discount because there's always discount, if that makes sense. So don't shop any of these pieces until you've got yourself a discount code sorted out. Okay, so next I saw this, again, fluffy knit dress, high neck in this gorgeous chocolate brown. Absolutely love the colour of it. It's more of a mini dress, I would say, depending on how tall you are. Again, got it in a 10. It looks quite small, but it's really stretchy, so, and I just think the colour is so nice. It doesn't feel itchy. This dress also came in other colours, so go and check out if you don't like the brown. I think there was a the same colour as the first dress I showed you, like that creamy white. But yeah, again, nice thick, nice and soft, not see-through. You could wear this with tights, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. And I've got an item to go with this, which I'm excited to show you next. Okay, so I picked up, it's going to be really difficult to show you on camera, this sort of mid-axy, would you say? Really heavy knit waterfall cardigan. It has like a hood on it at the back and it's really fluffy on sort of like the inside collar bit that hangs, the waterfall part that hangs down the front. I got this in an 8 It was pretty expensive. I think it was about £45, but then I got the 40% off, so it made it way more affordable. It's really sort of like oversized, this one, which I love. And yeah, you could totally wear it with that dress. It's not too long either, but yeah, you could wear it with that dress, and then you could team it with heels, boots, or you could just wear this around the house if you wanted to. You could totally style this other ways. I just think it's a lovely, lovely cardi, and it's so heavy it's making my arms ache. And then the last item that I picked up is so cute. It's this teddy jumper knitted sweater. It's got navy details on it. The inside is like a blue knit, so that it kind of shows on the outside, shows through on the cream. Giving me major obvious Ralph Lauren vibes, but it isn't, it's Missguided. I got this in a 10 to 12, and it is pretty oversized, which I love the idea of that. So yeah, how would I wear this? Probably wear this with joggers, leggings, jeans. Literally, you could wear this however you wanted to. They do quite a few pieces with the bear on. They do oversized tees, and he's just so cute, chilling in his little blue tracksuit. So I thought, yeah, we'll try him, why not? And it's quite long enough to cover your bum, so you can definitely wear this one with leggings for sure.
But here's the thing, what you thought we had never lasted. It was good at first, but eventually I could see between all the cracks, yeah. You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. And now we done it, you. And now we done to you, baby, you, baby. How can I say it so that you could understand? How can I tell you how stupid I felt? I can't believe that I thought we were in love when you were busy playing on my heartstrings. You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew.
So that's everything that I picked up from Missguided this time. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you saw some bits that caught your eye. The Carli Bybel collection is beautiful. The quality is insane. So I would definitely recommend you go check that out. It's obviously not a sponsored or paid for video. I just think that, well, I think she's amazing, and I think the clothing that she's picked out is amazing as well. So yeah, don't forget to head over to my Instagram, where you can come see me over there, come say hi and follow what I'm up to. Any video suggestions, let me know in the comments section. Do come say hi in the comments. I do love hearing from you and having a natter and seeing how you're all doing. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!